Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This week we're talking about career communication and how to write in business. So that's chapter 13. You do have a chapter 13 lecture. I did end up putting some information in here about how to interview and get a job, and of course keep a job. And that's a lecture that was done in our course that had a different textbook, but I left it in here just for your reference. You're able to look at that if you want. There is not any test material in there, so it's just all by choice. Further, you don't have any homework this week, just your discussion post. So it's a pretty light week, nothing super stressful, so I'm hoping that this will help you understand and get through some of the things that you need to get through to prepare for the final exam that'll be coming up. I've had a few people reach out about the final exam, and just as an FYI, I will have a video that describes what's in the final exam and what you need to study for prior to the exam coming out. So that will be coming out in the next few weeks. If you have any questions, of course, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help in any way I can. Thanks so much. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to reading your discussion post this week.